Hi, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is March of 2022, and I'm in the Circa Las Vegas here in downtown. I want to give you a quick tour of a standard guest room, specifically room 2622, and many thanks to my buddy who's going to let me film his room. Let's go inside. So the decor is very contemporary, it's very updated, and it fundamentally looks different than all the other hotels downtown. The decor in the room looks like one of the rooms that you would expect on the Strip. Now, there are some differences which suggest kind of urban chic. For example, the door to the bathroom slides like that. Got good mirrors with light around them. This room is better lit than a lot of the hotels that I've been in. As you get into the room, standard closet, you've got a safe. One of the things that we really like about this room is that there isn't any mini bar, so there's no risk of accidental charges there. And it's Vegas. It's not like it's that hard to get a beer if you want one. You've got another power plug in there if you want it, as well as some ventilation, which is great. Now, as you go into the bathroom, I love the decor in here. You've got two sinks, so if there's more than one of you getting ready, you've got time for that. There are some weird features. For example, we still don't know what these up and down arrows on the mirror are for. We think it's probably to increase the level of light, but we don't honestly know. Two sinks, all of your standard bathroom amenities. They aren't branded, but they've still been very, very good. Kind of your standard toilet setup. Now, what I really love is the shower. You've got the rainfall shower, and you've also got a bench, and I love to just sit down sometimes and soak up the steam and enjoy it, particularly if it's been a rough night in Vegas and you're trying to, wake up slowly in the morning. So the shower area is great. Coming out into the body of the room, you've got a great work desk, and you have a refrigerator in the room. That's fantastic if you want to buy a beer off-site so you don't have to pay on-property prices. One of the things this room does really well is they have plenty of power plugs, and they are all over. My buddy who's staying in this room has been able to work. You've got the flat screen TV with all your standard amenities. You've got a couch with plenty of space for somebody to flop. We tried to pull it out yesterday. It doesn't look like it does that. One of the cool technological features of this room is that it's controlled by a pad, which you can pull out now. It's hard to do basic things like adjust the time and the settings, but you can order any hotel services that you need. I am a little bit worried with this hotel that all of the electronic bells and whistles, once they go out, they're going to be a little bit hard to repair, but it does make things convenient in the short term. You have both traditional and USB plugs right there by the side of the bed. You've got great natural light in the room, and my buddy who's staying here says he can't hear any sound at all from the street. And that's fantastic, because if you're on Fremont Street, sometimes that's a problem. Now, we're on the 26th floor, and it's the side facing away from the Fremont Street experience, but that's still absolutely something you're going to want to think about if you're staying in downtown. As you go over to the other side, another lamp, more storage, no obvious power plugs. On balance, there are plenty of power plugs. I'm surprised that there's not one on this side of the bed. That little chair in the seating area with more power plugs. And looking back to the main part. So again, this is a standard guest room in Circa Las Vegas as it looks in March of 2022, and it's been a fantastic option. I'm not staying here. I'm actually staying next door at the Golden Nugget, which I've also enjoyed, and I hope you'll watch those videos. I've spent a lot of time in this hotel, though, gambling downstairs, eating at restaurants. We're going to go to Barry's later tonight, and I've enjoyed it very much. One of the only things that you need to know if you're going to stay at Circa is that they check your ID every single time you come into the building to make sure that you're 21, and they scan it. And that can sometimes create lines, which is kind of annoying if you're going out to go to some other property. But on balance, I still like the hotel very much. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, we'd love it if you hit like, if you would subscribe to our channel, and if you hit the notification button so you'll know when more content comes out. Also, please leave any questions or comments down in the comments section. We'll answer those as quickly as we can. Thanks so much, and happy travels.